Hello guys, my name is Amit Khan and in this video I'm going to teach you that how you can run lead campaign for desert safari business in UAE. I have seen a lot of videos but nobody is planning in good way. So I will teach you from start to finish and explain everything. So let's start. First of all you have to click on create campaign and then you have to select objective. This is very important. Most of the time engagement works good in low cost, you get more clients. But you can also try leads if you really want message or good leads. So I will go for leads, and you know that in leads you can get message and form, and you can also get leads on website. But right now we will just go for messages. So I will say 2025, and you can also keep everything same. You can select the ad set budget or campaign budget, but right now I will go for ad set budget, and this not fall in my special category, so I will keep it empty. Then click on next. So I will give, so here is the conversion, like where I want conversion. I will just do conversion on WhatsApp, and here you can select your page. I also select this page. It's already selected, and you can add your WhatsApp number here, and here you can select your daily budget. So I will suggest you to keep at least 100 dirham per day if you want good number of leads or quality leads. But right now my client budget is little low, so I will keep 50 dirham, and then I will select the start date from 17 October, and you can select the end date. But right now I just don't want add the end date because when I need to continue anytime. And here you can see more setting. You can select budget scheduling and ad scheduling, like you can run ad in specific time of day and these things. So now the most important part is the audience control. So here you can create a new audience, and you can also use previous audience. So I will just select new audience which I already made, and I will tell you that how you can select. So first of all, when it's come for location, I just edit it. So you have to select the location, like as you can see, I see location is in Dubai, Emirates of Ajman and Emirates of Sharjah. You can also add languages, and it's very important. You need to add languages. I told you that I will target premium clients, so I will firstly go for Arabic, English, Spanish, Turkish, Portuguese, Swedish, Hungarian. I don't want to include Indian and Pakistani people right now because most of the people are working there and they are not potential clients. And when they watch ad, they don't convert. And so I targeted these things, and you can also add according to your requirements. But right now I'm keeping this same. Now you can see it's 25 and 55. I will just go for 28 and keep it 50. So here is the most important part. Here you can do retail targeting. So you have to select behaviors and interest. So as you can see, I already added some behaviors and interest like frequent international travelers, business class here, campfire, cultural tourism, hotel and accommodation, outdoor activities. You can see other interests. So for interest, you have to write your interest here. Like I just want to add tourism. When I will add tourism, you can see different interest under it. Frequent international travelers, holidays, events, camping. You can add interest from here. So let's show you like booking.com, tent, anything else like campfire. Now I told you that I want potential clients, so that's why I'm just doing narrow targeting. Then I will update my audience, and you just have to save your audience or select this audience. Okay, so now it's come for placements, so you can select different placements, platform, Facebook, Instagram, audience network. I will keep it advantage plus, and also you can select control like where you want to show your ad and where not. I will only exclude in-stream ad for reels, but sometimes it also works good. I just need to give this to Meta, and Meta Andromeda is working fine to bring most number of leads for me. So you can also select block list and other kind of things. So if you want more potential, you can just target only Instagram, because most of the people on Facebook are not are less potential. But in start you can select all the platforms, then you can go for Instagram later. After that, click on next. So here you can create your ad. So I will say image ad, image ad 1. So you can also select page and Instagram account from here. You can also select single image or video and crucial, but right now I will go for single image and video. Setup creative, I will select on image ad, and then you can select from your previous post and add creatives, but right now I will upload from my computer. I will select and open it. It will take some time to upload and process. Click on next. You can keep everything original. Go for next. This is the important part, that you have to write multiple ad copies for your ad. Ad copy means primary text, headline and description. So how you can write it? So firstly, I will suggest you to do some computer analysis and do your own research and write. Like as you can see, I wrote for this campaign that what should I use and what should I write. So if you want to write ad copies with the help of AI, I made a prompt and you can use it for your Safari ad. I just copy it, but I will suggest you, and firstly you need to open your ChatGPT and attach the ad creative image you want, then add, and right here type this prompt, sorry, paste this prompt and click on go. So AI will analyze your ad and write 5 ad copies of it. So as you can see, these are the 5 ad copies. So you can copy and paste things from here. But right now I already have my ad copies. I will copy it. Firstly, I'm just going with one and one to explain you. Then you have to click on next. You have to turn on these enhancements and done. That's all okay. You can also create a WhatsApp message template, like what kind of message they can send. So you can simply edit, and you can add your text template here, like please let us know how can I help you. It's automatically getting from your side, and as customer can send you these kind of question. So right now I just want to keep these two. Click save, and you can also add your tracking IDs like website events, app events, offline events, and URL parameters. So that's all for this campaign. So for